A car wash prints money, but only when bays never stall. Automation makes that consistency possible if we design for throughput first. Most owners chase shiny machines, then wonder where profit went. Let's convert automation into unit economics you can control daily. We're aiming for maximum profit per bay, not maximum complexity. Step 1 is measuring your current average wash time and queue. Average wash time includes prep, dwell, and any delays between tickets. If you don't know dwell time, automation just hides the problem. Bays are like production lines. A single delay kills your hourly output. So the second step is mapping each stop that causes that delay. Common stops are manual approvals, clogged nozzles, and sensor misreads. Automation should remove decisions, not increase them later. Now, let's talk profit per wash, the part you can't ignore. Profit per wash equals selling price minus variable costs. Variable costs include water, chemicals, electricity, and card fees. The trick is measuring cost per ticket, not per hour. If you lower wash time, cost per wash can drop too. But if you over-automate chemical dosing, costs can rise fast. So we automate dosing with feedback, not blind schedules. Let's move to the biggest lever, labor cost per wash. Automation reduces labor, but you still need staffing for recovery. Recovery means resets, replacements, and customer issues that never disappear. Your goal is fewer hours per wash, not 0 humans. Next is downtime, the silent profit killer behind the scenes. Downtime steals revenue and also increases repair severity later. To automate profit, you must build a maintenance rhythm. That rhythm includes inspection intervals for sensors, brushes, and pumps. When intervals are skipped, sensors drift and the whole cycle slows. Now let's decide what to automate first for fastest payback. Start with the bottlenecks that create queues, not the flashy parts. Usually that's vehicle detection, ticket acceptance, and safe staging. If cars enter late, no brush upgrade saves your schedule. Automation should prevent double billing and stop unsafe starts. Once intake is stable, automate the repeating physical work. That's where you reduce labor without sacrificing consistency. Now we optimize cycle time with test runs and tight tracking. Test runs compare the same car profile at different speeds. You're watching cleaning coverage, not just total time. Fast cycles that miss spots reduce upsells and repeat visits. So we set a minimum quality threshold before chasing speed. Once quality is locked, speed becomes your multiplier. Now let's model revenue per bay using realistic assumptions. Hourly revenue equals washes per hour times average ticket. Washes per hour depends on cycle time and how quickly cars are staged. Average ticket comes from packages plus attachments like wax and vacuums. Automation can improve attachments by delivering consistent drying. Better finish means higher acceptance for higher-priced packages. Now the operating costs, fixed costs, don't change, but variable do. Fixed costs include rent, insurance, and a base payroll level. Variable costs scale with washes and automation can lower them or raise them. To maximize profit, align chemical strength to actual dirt level. Some systems use sensors to detect soil and adjust dosing automatically. Even if you don't have advanced sensors, you can tier by package. Tiering reduces waste because every car isn't treated like a truck bed. Now, let's talk about payback periods and capital planning. A $250,000 automation upgrade isn't good or bad by itself. It's good if it adds profitable capacity within a predictable window. So compute incremental profit, extra washes, minus extra costs, minus downtime effects. Downtime effects matter because even short outages hit peak traffic first. Automation should include alerting so you respond before customers walk away. That's not a feature. It's a profit protection system. Now we handle the human side, training for the automation you buy. Automation reduces random errors, but it concentrates failure modes. If you don't know the failure mode, you'll guess and extend downtime. So document every fault and create quick recovery playbooks. A playbook should start with what the customer noticed and when. Then you trace upstream to sensors, pumps, and chemical flows. Now we cover the cash flow timing that many people miss. Automation can increase sales volume quickly, but payments settle later. If you upgrade systems, budget for repairs while revenue ramps, set aside an equipment reserve so downtime doesn't become debt. A reserve is boring, but boring keeps your doors open. Now, choose automation that matches your customer pattern. If your traffic peaks at lunch, design for quick recovery between cars. If you serve fleets early morning, prioritize reliability over fancy extras. Automation should reduce friction in the customer journey too. Clear guidance cuts missed tickets and reduces complaints. You can't sell premium packages if customers feel rushed or uncertain. Next is drying strategy, because the finish is part of the ticket price. Drying time affects both customer pickup and throughput immediately. If drying is too long, cars stack and revenue falls. If drying is too short, you get spots, refunds, and bad reviews. So set drying targets based on real weather conditions and paint types. This is where automation shines. It repeats targets consistently. Now we need KPI control, or you'll drift over months. Your core KPIs are cycle time, conversion rate, and downtime minutes. Conversion rate is how many entrants become paid washes, not just window shoppers.